ever pondered about the intricate challenges that come with cargo services? The logistical conundrums, the tedious paperwork, or the constant worry about the safety and timely delivery of your precious cargo? In the bustling world of trade and commerce, these challenges can seem like colossal roadblocks. But what if there was a way to navigate through them with ease and efficiency? Introducing our door-to-door cargo service, a beacon of reliability in the UAE. With a robust framework of air cargo and sea cargo operations, we are here to transform the way you transport goods. Our service is not just about moving items from one point to another. It's about providing a seamless, hassle-free experience that puts your mind at ease. We handle all the complexities from customs clearance to final delivery, ensuring that your cargo reaches its destination in pristine condition and right on time. Imagine the convenience of having your goods picked up right from your doorstep, handled with utmost care, and delivered to the desired location without a hitch. That's what we offer, a service that is efficient, reliable, and tailor-made to cater to your specific needs. Our air cargo service guarantees swift delivery for your urgent shipments. On the other hand, our sea cargo service offers a cost-effective solution for transporting large volumes of goods. We also provide express cargo service for those who need their cargo delivered at lightning speed. At the heart of our service lies a commitment to customer satisfaction. We understand that each cargo carries with it a story, a purpose. Whether it's a consignment of business goods or a personal package, we treat each cargo with the respect it deserves, ensuring it reaches its destination safely and promptly. In a world where time is money, we believe in delivering value. Our service is not just a transportation solution, it's a partnership that helps you grow your business, reach your customers, and achieve your goals. So, why let the challenges of cargo services hold you back? Embrace the future of cargo transportation with our door-to-door service. Experience the synergy of efficiency, reliability, and peace of mind. Don't just ship your cargo, elevate your shipping experience. Choose our service and transform the way you transport goods. Make the smart move today. Your cargo deserves nothing less.